Is it giving your name? That means what is the user name? Not your name, what is the machine use name? Clear? Everyone clear? Next, date command. Date command, okay. So, the date command in Unix, the name is very clear date. So, you will understand it will display the date, right. So, it will display the current date and time of the system. That means, it is not current date, whatever you have assigned given the date and time of the machine, that date and time will be given for the particular machine, right, it will display that. And the Unix system maintain internal clock that run continuously. Anyway, even Windows operating system, the moment you specify the date and time, what happen? It will continue. Is it there, like once you shut down the system, date and time get changed? No, right? So, internally the clock will be keep running. So, that is what the same thing is here also. So, if you want, just type date and enter, see the what result you are getting. Then first you see this one, then I will come to the practical session, right. Did you write date? The next, so display, if you want only, I want the complete month information to be which month, right. So, you can use %m, right, for the month, you have to specify, write down date %, it will show only month. Try with this m month, h it will give the month name. If you give hm, it will give the month, which month number and the name of the month. What you did? Percentage F, percentage M, no space.
Yes, sir.
Last command.
Yes, sir.
If you give a space, it will not work. Clear? So, you have other option like, right, dy, h, m, s, dt. These are the other details are there. You have to practice. Let me execute and show you. Please remember and tell me the what we are going to run here. Okay. So, what I said, we have to run the date command, date, it will give you the entire details, with today's which day, which month, what is the date, what is the time, which time zone we are and year, that is the detailed information of this date. As I said, I have to give date, what is the first one, percentage m, if I give %m, what happen? No result, you have to give plus, enter, then this is which month, month number is 8, right, so it is giving 8 month, run with the percentage h, it will give the month name, right, if you combine both, sorry, hm, what happened? What happened? What happened here? I gave hm, let me give mh. What is happening here? That is why I am telling you have to check with the command what result you are getting. If you do not practice, you will not get idea. So, what happened? The first letter we know that %m is the command, %h is the command. After that what you are typing, it is taking as a character and it is printing the same. Clear? So, I have to run %m, %h, enter, 8th August, right. If you want even percentage H, percentage M, enter. So, like this. If I give a space, what will happen? No result. And it is here only to learn more in details, it is giving the information. What information? Try date hyphen hyphen help. So, if I type date hyphen hyphen help, it will give you the entire details. What are the other options you have to check the details format? You can see here. So many informations are there. So, you can explore from here. Okay. So, now you can see that you can use minus hyphen hyphen help and you will get the so many other information. If you want to learn in details, there are so many things are there. We can't teach everything in the class. So, that is what you have to practice. Clear? Any question, guys?